Uglies, the comic book.
So, a graphic novel could be a fantastic marketing strategy for the book Uglies. An image book could truly have the readers have a further understanding of the split society and the character's reality that is portrayed in the book. The story also has a clear call to action, so it will create really exciting graphic novels and will make it more accessible for people of all ages. Our goal is to further advertise the book by making it more approachable to a wider audience. So the release date of the book is of the graphic novel could be ready on the February 5th. Shops that could sell the books is the book. The book could be sold at Renobray, Argo Bookshop, and Library Drown Quarterly, and maybe more. And the publishing house is Flower Publishing. So the price range for the book is $15. Another craft book is 18. A book plus a meetup with the author is $30, and for the electronic book is $10.
So meet some of the main characters. Alright, so Tally, the book's protagonist, Tally is a young, naive teenage girl who, among many of her traits that she despises, doesn't like the right side of her face. She can't wait for her 16th birthday so she can finally become beautiful and reunite with her best friend Paris, a new pretty. Her real aspirations are to fit into society's traditional beauty ideals, and the only way to do so is by getting her operation. However, Tally gets a change of hearts after meeting Shea's friend, David, who becomes her new love interest. Tally's character is portrayed as brave, rebellious, adventurous, but because of her revelation, she hasn't been very loyal to her friends throughout the book. She ends up breaking almost every promise she makes. Shea, a rebellious teenage girl who has strangely silky hair for an onion. Shea and Tally quickly become close friends after the departure of Paris. They bond over the fact that they share the same birthday, implying on the same day they are intended to have their surgery. And yet, from the beginning, Shea was opposed to the entire definition of beauty ideals. No boys or revelation was needed. Shea has always been consistent with the thought of how screwed up the structure of society is. She would rather sneak out and go hoverboarding than discuss how beautiful she might be one day with Tally. She was without a doubt considered the lone wolf of the pack. She decided to run away. Her escape to the smoke is the book's key cause of the events. Shea's character is portrayed as adventurous, bewildering, but mostly open and transparent.
This is a little teaser of the comic book I drew myself in black and white. I decided to make it look like a manga.